Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, or if you're new, welcome to the channel, where we are working on this turd out here in the driveway, my 84 C10 square body. I did set up an appointment to get it tuned. It's going to be a couple weeks. I guess they're busy or whatever, but that's alright to give us time to get some more stuff done. Like get this on. It's an air oil separator, so I'd like to get that put on. And yeah, I got some more stickers for the headliner. Cause if y'all watched that video where I done the sticker bomb headliner, I didn't have quite enough to fill all the roof up. There's still spots where we need to put some stickers, so I got another pack here. I don't know if that's gonna be enough either, but that's what I got. So it's raining now, so maybe I can go ahead and just sit in the truck and put these stickers on without getting wet. And then maybe tomorrow, if it ain't supposed to rain, we'll work on getting this installed. Alright guys, it's early in the morning. The sun ain't even came up yet. We're gonna get started, so let's take this out here. I'm gonna need this little piece of cardboard to make a template. So what I'm thinking is I'm gonna try to put this thing right here somewhere. And I'm gonna make some kind of bracket to bolt to the brake master cylinder here. So that's why I got the cardboard. We're gonna have to shape this up to fit on there. I'm gonna use both bolts on the master cylinder, so I'm gonna have to cut this like a little U shape to go around that thing. So yeah, let's get us a template made, and then we'll go from there. Here's my little rough draft of my bracket. It's just gonna go on there like that. Then we'll have to weld a piece of metal coming off of there, coming out here, to where I can bolt that brace onto it. Yeah, let's go transfer this to metal. So I'm just gonna grab some metal out of this little scrap pile I got left from building that shifter mount. So that piece here probably work. So let's trace that on here and get it cut out. Alright guys, here's what I got so far. And test fit it, make sure it fits on here. And it does. So now I'm gonna trim a lot off of this side. I'm gonna try to make this as thin as I can on this side. We'll leave this side alone until I get my arm welded on there and figure out where that's going, and then we'll finish trimming that side also. Alright guys, the best way I think to do this is to use this bracket that came with the air oil separator, and we're gonna weld this to my bracket that I just made. And I actually held it up in the truck and looked at it there, and it looks like somewhere about right in there it's going to be good. So what I plan on doing is cutting this across here and then actually folding this up to where it's kind of like L-shaped, and then we can weld it to this. I can actually fill that hole up with some weld also. Here's my little bracket I made. There's my little bent arm I was telling you about. So now we just weld this thing right there like that. So weld this up real good, and we should have a thing here. We should have a thing. So let me get my little teeny vice grips here to hold this thing together, and then we'll put some weld on it. Alright, here's my bird turd welds. We'll clean those up here in a minute, but first I want to test fit this thing on there and see what it looks like, and then we can take it off and grind down these bird turds a little bit and clean it up and paint it. Alright guys, I got it on there. Looks like it's gonna work. This thing, I can adjust this wherever I need it, and once I get it tight it should be straight. So I think that's gonna work out pretty good. So let's take it back off and clean it up and get some paint on it. Alright guys, we're almost done with working on Crusty for a little while after we get it tuned. Probably gotta get the bed on, but after that really ain't got much else to do. So we're gonna I guess over the winter work on my brother's truck. So this will be the winter project to hopefully get this thing going. Alright guys, I forgot to shoot an outro. When my brother brought his truck over here, we just kind of bullshitted around and talked and did nothing really. And yeah, so now I gotta shoot an outro. We got the catch can on here. This hose goes to the valve cover there, up to the air oil separator, and from there over to the intake, so it's still got a vacuum. And this catches any of the bad stuff, the oil and blow by and all that sludge and stuff that'll catch in there, and we can just drain it out so it don't get in the intake and cover the intake. And a lot of people run a catch can with the filter on it, and those don't have no vacuum on it, so I'm not sure how it even pulls any of the blow by out of the crankcase. I'm not sure, so that's why I got that one. Well, yeah, this is gonna be our winter project here, and it's V8. It's been on the channel before. We're gonna try to get that thing running before spring, and hopefully get this one broke in before spring, and then we can go test them at the track hopefully. But I guess that's it for this one, guys. Thanks for watching. Till next time, see ya.